Welcome to Ikate's Crossing. Right, what I want to start with is I've just received in the mail Echoes of Nature Oracle deck. Okay, now this was created, and we all know TarotOracle on YouTube, of course, with his daily readings that he does for people. Absolutely beautiful artwork. Absolutely gorgeous. I am so pleased with this Kickstarter. This is like my first Kickstarter. The artwork is absolutely gorgeous. I am so excited about using this deck. So, tonight's readings are crystals. But I will actually share this with you as well for readings. Okay, so let's have a look at the cards. So let's have a look. We've got, so now we'll work out which way I'm doing this. Here we have intuition, dreams. It looks so real. Of course, Brianna's cat taking a break. Should really have my glasses on, shouldn't I? I should be able to. Let me just go and grab my glasses. While you have a look at the first three. Intuition, dreams, and taking a break. Aren't they just gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so pleased with this deck. I'm going to certainly love working with it. Wow, serenity. Unexpected friends. Oh, that's so gorgeous. To have a proper look, casting a long shadow. I love that. Wisdom. Facing adversity. Facing adversity. I see all the symbols and things. I'm not really too much about the astrology and all that, but surfing the waves. That's gorgeous. Looks so real. Well, they are real, aren't they, really? Friendship, that's gorgeous. Just with the artwork, it's just beautiful. Waiting for someone. It's just lovely. Oh, isn't that cute? Playfulness. Isn't that just, oh, wow. Flaunt it. That looks so amazing. Did such a great job. Wishful thinking. And the way it's been delivered, and then there's a little thanks Paula, and then a signature there, and it's just beautiful. Beauty. Contemplation. Oh, I love that. Strength. That is just gorgeous. Weathering the storm. So, thank you very, very much. Thank you very much, TarotOracle. Your personal power, I love that. Your the speed with which I've received this, I was not expecting it for another week or so, really, to be honest, with all the posts, with everything going on. Innocence and personal space. Comfort. So I want to get this video up as above, so below, so that he realises that it's here, leading the way. It's just beautiful. Big opportunities. Wow. Just beautiful artwork. Just absolutely stunning. It's such a beautiful deck to work with. You can already feel the love, you know, that was created with this deck, and the time and the effort and the integrity. You can just see that within this deck. It's just amazing. Looking to the future. Solitude. That's awesome. Awesome card, Solitude. I mean, and the keywords, they just, I mean, the words that he's put on here, the titles, they just tell such a story. You can get so much from oh, the love. Oh my God, the joining of two. Just this genuine love, the unconditional love. It's just beautiful. Challenges ahead, yes, I can see the challenges in that. Every image that he's got here, you can actually see the keyword in the image. The happiness, you can see the joy in that dog, you know, that total happiness with he's going for a walk, and oh, the dog, it's just beautiful. Taking the shortcut, yeah, we know about shortcuts can be not always the right thing, but, you know, healing, oh, time of healing, that's gorgeous. Jumping to conclusions, oh yes, that could be a bit dangerous. Seeing inside. Speaking out. Sometimes there are times when you need to speak out. And just listening. And there are moments when you just need to listen. Memories coming into play. Leadership. Leadership. Path less travelled. Yes, sometimes we have a path that's less travelled and we're going to take that path. It's just beautiful. Helping hand. Oh, just gorgeous strategies. Small influence. Oh, I love that small. That is so cute. You know, we might be influenced gently by somebody, or small. Long journeys. Wow, that's just, I'm just fascinated. Oh, blending in. Oh, I love that. That is so cute. He's trying to blend in. He's trying to hide. He's like being camouflaging himself. Transforming. Wow. Confusion. Oh, I'm just so confused about what's going on. Taking action. That is so cool. Approaching success, approaching success. So not quite there, but you're getting there. Savor the moment. Oh, you're seeing his face. He's just like really just being in that moment and just enjoying whatever it is he's got. Higher perspective with the giraffe. That's really good. Looking at the past. Oh, that's good. I like that. Loyalty. Oh, so loyal. A loyal friend. Meditation. Oh, wow. I love the trees in it. I love the nature aspect of it as well as the animals. I love all that. The wealth coming through. Travel. Wow. That's cool. Horse. A deeper understanding. Changing directions. Oh yes, I can imagine the dog going in one direction and then the next and then the next, you know, keep changing in the direction they're actually moving. Here we have boundaries, which are important in some aspects. Delays. There might be delays in the process. Here is a situation. I love that. So things could be a bit, oh my god. Intimidation. Oh, might be feeling a bit intimidated this time, or maybe you're being intimidating to others. Intensity. There's an intensity in the situation. Being sly. Oh yes. Weeds and flowers. What are weeds and what are flowers? Looking further out. That's cool. I like that on the porch. Learning. I'm learning something new. Self-care is so important. And then we have the last card, gathering inspiration. Wow. They are superb. They are fantastic. Let's see what today's message will be. Now, let me just, now that I've looked through them, we've got cards at all sorts of, right, let's, now the card that actually flew out, whoops, which we're going to look at, and it slid first card we're going to look at is wishful thinking. Oh, what are we wishing for? What are we hoping for? You know, it's like we're wishing for something in particular. And it's about us taking control, leading the way. It's about being focused, being determined to actually move in the direction that we actually want to go in. So what are we actually thinking about? And are we actually taking the action to do so? And needing to face the adversity, facing adversity, so facing the challenges, facing our fear, facing maybe things that we may not want to actually face, to actually achieve what we actually want. You know, what are we actually hoping for? You know, we've got to actually go, we've got to move in that direction, but are we ready to face our fear, face our things that maybe we feel are blocking us at this time? So it is about making some plans, strategies. It's about making some plans in what we actually want to achieve. Oh, what an interesting combination of cards. I love that. You know, having the strength to actually to face our adversities, to move in the direction that we actually want to move in. To you know, what are we thinking about? And you know, how do we find inspiration? How do we gather the inspiration that we actually want to achieve? You know, how do we find that within ourselves? So important to look within to find that inspiration. You know, to find that strength that lies within us, so that we can face our adversity, face what we're afraid of, face those things maybe that we feel are holding us back. You know, so that we can actually be in control and lead and go in the way that we actually want to move in to. Really about, you know, what do we actually want to achieve? Where do we actually want to go? What do we actually want to do? So that's an interesting spread for working with this deck, Echoes of Nature. Thank you, Tarot Oracle. I am so excited to be working with this artwork. It is gorgeous. For an animal, you know, basically an animal deck with the nature cards, of course, but just beautiful artwork. Just so beautiful. Now don't forget to check out youtube.com with TarotOracle, twitter.com with TarotOracle 2, and don't forget his patreon.com, TarotOracle as well, Patreon. Dedicated to my amazing YouTube subscribers and Patreon supporters, and lots of artwork on the box. It's gorgeous, and he signed it. Thanks, Paula, and with his signature there as well. Wow, an Oracle of Nature paintings. YouTube.com, Tarot Oracle, Echoes of Nature. Now, isn't that just stunning? I'm so impressed. So anyway, that's it from Hikate's Crossing. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell and like the video as well. Don't forget, on my channel you can check out Hikate's Crossing blog. Unseen Alley, if you want with a private reading, you can either go through my blog or that. You've got my Ko-Fi just there, ko-fi.com. ko-fi.com / Hikate's XANG, Hikate's Crossing, or Hikate's Zing, whatever you like to call it, but it is supposed to be Hikate's Crossing, but anyway, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, so I want to say thank you for being with Hikate's Crossing. Thank you to Tio, to Tarot Oracle, his Echoes of Nature, his integrity in the way that he worked with this deck and got it printed and got it posted and everything, and keeping us up to date with what's been going on with this Kickstart was absolutely fantastic. So thank you very, very much. I'm going to love working with this deck. So don't forget, if you want a reading with me using this deck, Tarot Oracle, this Echoes of Nature, this Oracle deck, please contact me for a private reading. Otherwise, you'll see it on my lives. So take care, blessed be.